So good day everyone. So in this video, I'm about to perform real-time desktop sharing. Now in this video, we are about to use or utilize a server-client relationship. Now in this PC, this is a server. As you can see, since it has server manager, and this one is basically client. So to perform this one, you need also to have a IP address. Now our IP address is coming from our router. So if once we go to ipconfig and then you enter, this is the IP address. Now when it comes that to check if did I or did we assign IP address, to check is you need to wait, naglag. Now to check if did I or did we assign IP address, so the question is no. To check, you need to Windows key plus R on your keyboard and type ncpa.cpl. So as you can see, this is our Ethernet or the local area network, or to check if we assign IP address. So version 4, so I did not assign IP address. And again, open cmd ipconfig. On the cmd ipconfig. So as we enter, I did not assign IP address because this one again coming from our router. Now to perform a real-time desktop sharing, is you need to do is basically simple. Go to the start and then find our administrator, this one, and find the desktop. This portion is the desktop. Right click on it and then go to its properties. Now go to its sharing setting. So this is the sharing setting of our desktop. Desktop is basically this portion of our PC. So as you go to the share of the desktop, and you can see the owner is only allowed to configure this one, but also you can add our everyone, for example everyone, or the account or the domain itself. Now if we read and write and then share this one, and done, as well as the advanced sharing, and go to its permission, and as you can see, it must be full control. So we are done with our server. Now we go to our client. To perform that one, on your keyboard, you can do is Windows E, so that it can open File Explorer and directly go to the desktop. And right click, properties again. So it's not shown in our video. So right click and properties, this one, and then go to its sharing and share. Must add, you can need to add the everyone, and read and write and share, and done. Now in this portion, this network path must be pasted on the server desktop location. This one, server desktop location. Now this is our network path. This one, desktop dash CIGO C9D / desktop. Okay, so as we go / 2 times desktop word, caps lock, not a small caps, CIGOC 9D / and type desktop as sentence K. And this will go as question as, do you want to move all the files coming from the location? If you go yes, then it will show up the result, and yes. Now to show if we are being done to perform the real-time desktop sharing, is there will be a new icon for our desktop. This one, it will show up as like that. And then if we close this one, once we create a folder in this portion, for example, it must be show up directly to our client or desktop to desktop, as mentioned as real-time desktop sharing. So 651611. So this is the folder. Once we create also this portion, it should also show up on the other PC or desktop. So as I refresh it, go with the result. So that's how you perform the real-time desktop sharing. Now once also you want to restore default setting, you need to go back to the start and find the administrator and find the desktop and properties, and the location must to restore default. As you apply, you should not click the yes, just the no, and then you just wait again. I mean, you should yes and no. And okay, so the desktop icon is now going back to its original icon. So that's how you perform the real-time desktop sharing.